Dogecoin is going absolutely insane right now, with some massive gains throughout the day, being up almost 15%. Even on the hour, it is up almost 5%. On the week, oh, I almost choked here. It is up 105%. And then on the month, more than 250%. So yeah, simply put, Dogecoin has been going on an insane run, and you have to keep in mind that a few hours ago, it was actually just at 36 cents, right now at 40. Some people in traditional finance wait years for gains like this, and we've just seen it within an hour, within a few hours, within a day. But I have to show you something. I'm making a crazy amount of money with Dogecoin, and I still think it's gonna go way further. Very soon, I'm gonna do something that is gonna shock a lot of people, all right? Now, let me quickly put it up forward. I personally think Dogecoin is gonna go back to its all-time high of 90 cents, but over the next few months, break it by some very, very crazy numbers. But let me quickly show you. I recently put $1,000 into Dogecoin over on a crypto exchange. I basically bought 75,000 Doge with that because I used some leverage at the price of 13.2 cents. When was this? Roughly like 2 weeks ago or so. And pretty instantly, I sold a little bit. I think it was like slightly more than $1,000 when I bought it. And then afterwards, I've been selling some more. And right now, I'm basically waiting for Doge to break heights because the $1,000 that I've got in right now is still worth over 21,000 after already taking out roughly 8.5 thousand US dollars, meaning that this, let's say $1,200, $1,400, whatever dollars that I put into Dogecoin is right now worth almost $30,000. Now, if you also want to trade, like I just did my $1,000 into $30,000 Dogecoin trade, check out the link down below to 𝗲𝗀. It's a crypto exchange you can basically use everywhere around the world. I don't think it matters what country you're in. You can use it. No KYC, no nothing. Very, very simple to sign up. Check it out with the link down below. You also get yourself some bonuses for signing up and depositing or making your first trade or whatever. But just check it out. The link is in the description down below. And like I said, it's available globally, which is very rare nowadays. I've used it for a while. It's been amazing. And if you want a tutorial, let me know down below. But also, make sure you press that like button right now. So it's kind of funny that I basically flipped $1,000 into a whole Rolex or even something way crazier with Dogecoin because, well, like I just said, the gains on this coin have been absolutely astronomical. Ladies and gentlemen, this this is the monthly chart for Dogecoin, what? So just 1 month ago, it was trading at roughly 11 cents, And right now it is at 40. And you know what's funny? That I've kind of made a video about this on the short form over on TikTok, but right now the meme coins have been going absolutely insane. Just take a look at the top here. Pepe up. What? Pepe's up 21% in an hour? What? Whoa. 20% in an hour? Whoa. Okay, what? What? No, what? 20% in 1 hour? Okay, that is something I've not seen in a while. I mean, going up 33% in a day is pretty massive, sure, but did something get announced? I gotta check this out. I'm actually recording this afterwards. Coinbase just 1 minute ago announced that they're listing Pepe later today. They basically say, you long wanted the frog. Well, soon you get the frog. Coinbase is adding Pepe to our listing roadmap with the goal of listing later today. Thanks for your patience. Roughly 1 minute ago, 800 views. But I'm guessing that right now Doge is going to go crazy because of that. But damn. I mean, I wanted to say that the whole meme coin space has been going exponential. This number is not even fully updated just quite yet to today's numbers probably. But at least I think the total market cap for memes must be significantly higher now that we've got these crazy gains throughout the day. Dogecoin up 18%, Pepe up 32%, BONK up 35%, 𝗲𝗀 up 20%. Regardless, it shows right here that over the last week or so, we've basically doubled and more than doubled the total meme coin market cap. And some coins like Peanut, if you can find it in this list, we can't find it right now. I think it's at like $1.2 billion or so. It just basically came from nothing 2 weeks ago to 1-point-something billion, just like how ACT went crazy here. Peanut right now is sitting at 1.7 billion, and it's kind of funny that it's this low in the rankings because it's just not updated. But It's freaking huge, man. I mean, it's up 315% today. Just checking around. It's actually an announcement that I thought would have no effect, but Robinhood US seen relisting Solana, Cardano, Ripple, as well as Pepe. I guess that's right now why Pepe is going so crazy. This was announced roughly 15 minutes ago, 14 minutes ago. And right now I'm guessing that Pepe is taking the main lead because of this announcement. Because let's quickly see, the announcement came out on 5:40, around 5:40. No, this pump started significantly earlier than that. So from 5:40, the price actually went up ever so slightly, but it already started pumping like 20 minutes before. Maybe people knew this news before the main outlets posted it though. Could also be. Maybe Robinhood posted an announcement earlier. It's plausible. Or it's just like I was saying earlier, that because all the memes are going crazy, they all just kind of take turns going exponential. Actually, matter of fact, one of the only ones that were the ones being left behind was Pepe, which right now it definitely it's not anymore. And I wanted to say that WIF has been left behind a lot because before it was the main currency of the freaking run, right? Earlier this year. But right now it seemed that Dogecoin was it, and some of the newer generations like GOAT, Peanut, and this Act now, which got listed on Binance, and another one, Hippo, I think, something like that. But right now it seems that a lot of the older generations, which are not that old, but like Pepe and stuff, are running it back, getting back here with the gains. BONK going up 40%, Pepe going up 40%. Shiba Inu, though, is being left behind still. I still am expecting some crazy results for many of these, but as I said before, I think Pepe, honest truth, right, is going to be the one to set the biggest gain record this season, or another coin that came up later, right? So Pepe or other coins akin to the 2021 run. Perhaps, for example, Popcat or a Bet, something along those lines. I just think that Shiba Inu will do well, Dogecoin will do amazing, BONK will do amazing, WIF is kind of on a similar field with Pepe. But like I just said, I think the other ones have a lot more to gain because they've got fresher communities and most likely more degenerate ones. Now with Dogecoin, if you're wondering, Elon Musk has gotten back to posting bullish things about it. He's basically posting this right here. Department of Government Efficiency, which obviously puts Doge in there. And since he posted that like, I don't know, 15 hours ago, and I think he posted a second thing or he reacted to something, people again got very excited about Doge, which also is quite logical if you ask me. He's posting a Doge picture in a time where Doge is doing really amazing. It does make sense if you ask me. Here we go, the other one. So another person posted a Doge Department of Government Efficiency, and he reacted, said incentives matter. This was 4 hours ago, which again is kind of similar to when the Doge price started doing well. He's been posting all night though. The mainstream media having to cover Doge with Elon Musk kind of holding in his laughter. Maybe there's even more that I can't even remember. I've just seen like 2 or 3 of them. And it made me realize that since Trump's reign is quite in its infancy stage still, right? We talked about this yesterday, that the run is going to go a lot faster, a lot more exponential. That Doge, from that perspective, is also just at the start of how crazy it can go. Because if Trump takes into Congress more and more about crypto, Elon is behind it, and Elon is going to keep memeing Doge. Yeah, you can do the math on that. So yeah, guys, I'll be covering all the crypto news on this channel. So if you're not done yet, make sure you press the like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel. More importantly, make sure you've got the notification bell on, because in case something crazy happens, I'll be covering it right here on this channel. The goal is to make everybody that views these videos as rich as possible. So you have to stick around. Yeah, that's about it.